Do you know why your English sounds broken, even when your sentences are correct? Because your ideas are not connected. Let me show you. I went to a shop, I bought a shirt, I came back. Correct? Yes, it is correct, but it is not natural. Now, listen to this. I went to a shop and I bought a shirt and then I came back home. That sounds smooth, right? Hello guys, welcome back to English with Kidion. Today I'm going to show you a simple technique that can instantly improve your fluency. The connector method. This method helps you join your ideas and speak like a natural speaker. Here is the problem. Most learners speak in short, separate sentences. As a result, their speech sounds robotic. But fluent English speakers connect their ideas using small linking words. These are called connectors. Let's look at some powerful connectors you can start using today. First, and. Use it to add information. I woke up early and I went for a walk. Second, because. It is used to give a reason. I stayed at home because I was tired. Third, so. Use it to show a result. It was raining, so I didn't go out. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Instead of speaking in separate lines, combine everything. I was tired, so I stayed at home and I watched a movie. See how natural that sounds? Here is an important idea. Fluency is not about using big words, it is about connecting thoughts smoothly. Let's take one example. Without connectors, I was busy, I didn't call you. I'm using it without connectors, okay? I was busy, I didn't call you. Now I'm using it with connectors. I was busy, so I didn't call you. Simple but powerful, right? Now, let me give you a small challenge. Next time you speak, try to use at least two connectors in sentences. This will push you to think in a connected way. Here are some simple tips for you. First, start with simple connectors. Don't complicate it. Second, practice combining two or three ideas or sentences. Third, listen to how others use connectors in conversations. Now, let me introduce to a few advanced expressions you can naturally use. Instead of using just and, you can also say as well as. For example, I bought fruits as well as vegetables. Instead of always using so, you can try that's why. For example, I was tired, that's why I didn't go out. And when you want to add contrast, use even though. For example, even though I was tired, I completed my work. These small changes make your English sound more fluent and confident. To sum up, stop speaking in separate sentences, start connecting your ideas and sentences. That is the secret to smooth English. Try this today and write one connected sentence in comment section. This is English with Kirion. See you in the next video. Bye.